Hey girl, you know I be loving those kinky wigs, cause they be looking like our natural hair, honey. The only thing is they be so bulky and I don't know how to wear them. But girl, you see my edges? I don't know what I'm gonna do with them. Nah, I ain't putting on no glue. I'm just gonna tuck them in and see what it do. But anyway, girl, let me get started. Just put me on mute and look at this. This mess already shedding. But anyway, I'm gonna take down this bun. I'm gonna see what I can do. Yeah, just put me on mute. All right, yeah, we're gonna listen to this music and we're gonna see what I come up with. But hopefully it comes out right. I'll check back in with you. Oh, before this the style I'm trying to do. This is so cute. I hope I can pull it off because you already know, girl. I don't know what I be doing. But anyway, let's get to it. I'll be back. Girl, why you laughing? Yeah, that was a fail. I couldn't get them parts right for nothing. But you know what I think I want to do? I want to try some messy Bantu knots. I've always loved that style, and it just looks so sexy and sleek. So let me see if I can pull it off with this kinky lace wig. Let's see what it do. All right, I'll be back, girl. Just hold on. Keep watching to the end. All right. Okay, hold on. All right, bye. Girl, this is messing with my nerves. I had to take a break. Girl, oh my God, this is making me mad. This side right here is so freaking hard. Like, man, I'm ready to give up. Like, I'm almost finished though. I can't give up. Girl, just stay on the phone with me and keep me company, please, until I finish this. And let me know what you think in the end.